Hi all of you. In today's video I am going to continue my project, my food delivery project. So let's get start. First let me open my previous file, which is my 25th file. Let me open that one. There it is. And also create a new file for this video. So this is my 26th video, so that's why I will create a hash 26 dot html. Okay, so now first let me copy that content which is here, because I am continuing this project, so that's why I have to copy this. So let's see how it is looking. So this is my project, as you all know who folks have watched my last video. Okay, so there you see that this we have done in my last video. So now it's time to continue the project. So what will I do? Let's see. First here first I will close this, and let me add a new thing, like after navigate, because my navigation bar is now ended, so there is no need to continue this. Okay, and write in this something. So let's make a new section, section uh, section dot or hash. Let's say hash mid, because it is my mid part. Okay, section mid, and let me make a id. Okay, in this I will write like div uh, dot what should I write? uh, Let me don't write dot, let me write just h1 heading. In heading I will give like let me give a class like class dot heading. Okay, class dot heading, and in this heading I will write to like our services. Okay, our our services. Okay, and after that I will write a para. In this para I will write lorem 26. Okay, I think this content is enough for that. And first I have to do my toggle wrap. Okay, so there you can see that my content is now adjusted in this page only. Okay, let me save it and let's see how it is looking now. Let me refresh. So this is my content, and also I will write not write, I will just make a new button. I'll create a button btn. Class should be also btn. So btn is the short form of button. So when I when I press enter, as you can see here, it will create button. Okay, and class is my btn. Okay, so let's see. Let me first save it by pressing ctrl plus s. Let me refresh. So here you can see there is a button, but I haven't written here something. Let me write what can I write? Order. Okay, order here. Okay, let me save and let me see how it is now looking. So there is your button, as you can see that. So it's time to do something cool. Okay, let me add some css to this as well, to this section. This is my mid. So let me write let me make mid, it is hash mid, hash mid. And let me make display flex. After making display flex, as you can see that my content uh, will be in the, you can see, in the row. Okay, so let me give it flex direction, as I already told you what is flex direction. So flex direction is now column, and now you can see that it is here. Okay, so let me add some more css, like let me create justify content, justify content center, as well as align content. Okay, center. And let me give some what should I give, margin or padding? I think I should give like margin. Okay, margin should be like 2 pixel, and another one is also 2 pixel. Let me save it. Okay, let me first see how it is now looking. So you can see that my content is adjusted really well. So let me use a pseudo selector for this as well, for this mid one. So mid, hash mid, colon colon before, and in this before I will add some css, like I'll copy css from this pseudo selector. Okay, and also edit it after pasting it. Okay, so let me first remove this width. Okay, 1%, and let me add some picture, like first I want to show you some pictures, like these are some pictures for my website. So which picture should I use in the background image? I think this one is looking good. uh, yes, it is looking good. Also there are some more pictures, like this as well, this burger and french fries one. And also where is the pizza? This, there it is. So it is of pizza as well. Let me see how it looks. First let me add, which picture should I add? First yeah, this one is looking great, really great. Food 15 is the image name. Okay, so what is the problem here? Let me see. Okay, background colon url will be images. Okay, images forward slash uh, what is the number of that? Food 15. Let me see how it is now looking. Food 15. What is the problem? Okay, there is the semicolon is missing. So let me see how it is now looking. Yeah, it is looking great, but not that great. So first let me add a few things, like first let me remove this margin as well. Okay, and now it's time to add, like background position will be like center. Also background repeat, I don't want to repeat this image. Okay, also I want background size uh, should be like cover. Okay, so now let me see how it is now looking. Let's see. So it is looking now good, but not that much good. So what I have to do now? First let me give some height to uh, there is height, but let me configure it. Okay, uh, cover, center, repeat, no absolute, all things are good. Let me add opacity as well. Opacity should be like 0.66. Okay, this number is good, I think. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now I can see my content as well. So let me increase height first. Where is my height? Flex. Where is my mid before? There it is. Let me give some height. Let me increase height, like uh what is this doing? 140. No, I don't want it. I want like I should give height in this, like let me see it works or not. Let me give height like 400 pixel. Pixel, yeah, it is working. Let me see 800 pixel. 800 pixel. It is working. Yeah, it is working. So let me add something, like not here, I want to add here in the mid section. Height should be like let me give 1000 pixel. Okay, 1000 pixel, and let's see how it is looking right now. Oh yeah, it is working, but I don't want this space. Okay, so uh, let me do it like 900 pixel. 900 pixel, it is 9900. Okay, so let me see now. It is fixed, but not that much. Let me do it like 800 pixel. Okay, and let me do 8 here. Let saving by ctrl plus s. Now it's time to it is I think 750 or 766. Let me try this number as well. 766 pixel. Okay, there is a little gap as you can see here. Let me do it once again. I think 756 should be good. Yeah, it is good. Now you can see that my gap is filled and it is looking really great. Okay, now it's time to add some css to this as well. Okay, so now it's time to add to css to my heading. So let me target dot heading. Okay, there is heading or heading, yeah. So let me add some css to heading, like font size should be like 66 pixel. Okay, let me see how it is now looking. Yeah, it is looking good. And font style should be like let me add some font family first. Font family sans serif. Okay, now font weight should be like bold. Okay, bold. And what can I add now? Font, let me see the style. I think normal is or italic. uh, let me do italic. Okay, because it is not my real website, it is just for practice. So as you can see that it is looking really great. So now it's time to target this as well. Okay, so let me add some css to my button as well. So where is my button? Let me see. Button is dot button, or let me see, it is class or id. It is class dot btn. Okay, dot btn. And in this I will write like font size should be like 26. Okay, 26 pixel. And font family should be like sans serif again. And font weight should be like font weight bold. Okay, let me add semicolon as well. Now what to do here? Now I can also give like border radius. Border radius should be like 2 pixel for now. Later on I can configure in my Google developer tools, Chrome developer tools. Okay, and after border radius I should give like what can I give? Background color. Background color like is will be which color will be suitable? uh, Background color should be like I think which color? Orange or this chocolate one? Let me see this how it is now looking. Let me refresh it. It is looking good. It is looking average, not that much good. Okay, so let me inspect and make this border radius good. Let me close this first. Okay, uh, now it's time to inspect. Let me do this. It is not going downward. Why it is not going? Yeah, so now I can target my btn. Okay, border radius should be like this much. Yeah, 26 pixel is good. So 226 is always good. So let me configure it here as well, 26. And also let me add some hover properties as well. Dot btn colon, not double colon, single colon, or double, not, no, it's double. Hover, let me do it again. It's single or it's double? Let me try. It's single. Hover, yeah, it's single. So now it's time to add some css, like when I hover on it, the background color should be like black. Okay, black. And my font will change to white. So let me give azure. and my font style will be convert into, where is my font family, yeah, my font family will convert into like cursive. Okay, and my font weight will be more bolder. Okay, and what can I, my font size is 26 pixel. My font size will become like uh, 36 pixel. Okay, 36 pixel. So let me try these properties, what these properties looks like. So let me hover over it, let me refresh first. Okay, now it's time to hover. Now it is looking really great, but that font uh, family is cursive, so let me change it. It is not looking that much impressive. Okay, so let me change it first. I can give like sans serif again, it is nice one font. Let me add semicolon as well. Okay, now it's time to save by pressing ctrl plus s. Now it's time to refresh again. I think it is now looking good. Okay, so this is my para. I think this should be like this. Okay, because I don't think no one reads this, but for like for example, if someone reads it, so it should be enough big, so someone can like read it. There is my para mid p, so my para should be like hash mid p. Okay, and then font size should be like font size should be 26px. Okay, 26px. So let me check how it is now looking. It is looking good. I think the color should be white or something else, or this color is okay. I think this color is okay. Now it's time to head towards to now it's time to head like below. Okay, I have to work in the below section as well. So let me add some structure first. So I'll add some structure like first I have to go to first I have to go outside of this section. Okay, and now I will create another section which is my uh, what is my another section, services. Okay, services, it would be uh, hash services. Okay, services. In this section I will make a class, not yeah, class div class. What class should I make, like types, okay. In this I will make first let me uh, first let me add some like heading. I think heading should be there. Okay, first let me add heading or not. uh, I am confused, like what should I write here? I think I should write like div dot, not dot. uh, Let me add something like h1 here first. There should be heading. Okay, uh, I think heading should be uh, before this section. What should I do, like I should add heading here as well. Okay, I am confused. Okay, I will if there will be any error on, if there will be any mistake, I will make it like I will correct it later on. Okay, so h1 should be like r services. uh, okay, let me remove this from here, because let me remove this is not my r services. First let me look to my website. It should be like welcome to my website. Okay, because someone is someone opens your website, so wel- welcome okay, to my welcome to my website, or something else, welcome to my food arena, for example. Okay, I'm just checking it is good or not, I don't know. I think it should be good. Okay, let me refresh it. Welcome to my food arena. Okay, this is my food, this is my logo of food. It is really looking good, this logo. Okay, so now it's there is my content, our services. Okay, so first let me add something like div dot div dot box, and there is a hash box, uh, box dollars for 1 2 3 4 5, that count. Okay, for count we use a dollar. Okay, dollar character for that stuff. Okay, div dot box hash box dollar into 3. Okay, I think 3 boxes are enough for now. uh, div class box id box 1. In this I will write like, first it's time to give like id. Okay, not sorry, id, I am talking about heading. Okay, heading h1. Let me give class it like heading. Okay, heading. So this is my like food delivery, because it is my service. This includes in my services which I give. Okay, and another service is like my, again I will write h1 dot heading. Okay, I have made a class heading, as you can see here, not here, let me go upward, you can see here. So it will automatically take style according to that class, h1 heading. uh, Let me make it and write it like food delivery. And there is one more service like what that service is known as, come and pick up, or yeah, that is the service, come and pick up. Okay, pick up, just place your order online and come here and pick up. Come here also should be there. Let me write come here and pick up. Okay, and my last service will be like for their food deliveries covered, come here and pick up, and come here and eat. Okay, so come here and eat. Let me write h1 dot heading. Okay, again I'm using that class. So I have already told you that heading, oh sorry, heading, I'm talking about class should be used many times, but id can be used only one time. Okay, this is the point to remember while making this project. Come here, come here and eat. Okay, so yeah, this is my 3 boxes. So let me see how these boxes are looking. Let me do refresh. Food delivery, come here and pick up, come here and eat. Yeah, yeah, this is looking good. Our services, let me give, I think, a class to our services as well. Okay, let me give it as well, class heading seating. Yeah, it's time to save now. Yeah, it is also looking good. So now what will I do right now? Let me add some, let me first insert a picture. Okay, after heading it's time to insert image src. In src I will write images forward slash which image should I use. First there is my food delivery, so food 16 is my image. Okay, let me add again our services. Not here, not here. I'm going wrong. Let me do this here in the box 1. Yeah, here. So I'll write here food 16 is my image. Okay, let me save. Let me again refresh. So there is my picture, but it is not in my control right now. So let me I will edit it. I'll give style. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, and here, come here and pick up. So let me see picture according to this line. Come here and pick up. Is there any picture? Come here and pick up. There is no picture like that. uh, there is no picture. So what can I add here? I think I should add anything like but no picture is like related to that. So let me like download a picture for that. Okay, and I'll meet you in few minutes. So I'm back. I not get the appropriate like image for that. Come here and pick up. Okay, that line. But I've got an image like I want to show you. Image first. Let me insert it. Images should be like forward slash 18 food 18. Okay. So let me show you what is that image. Let me cancel this. This is my image, and this is the website. If you want to download picture, this is a website, wallpaper flare. Here you can write anything. A high quality picture will be available for you all. Okay, so let me show you. Let me refresh. Okay, so this is my picture. Come here and pick up. So now you can see that she is holding a pizza in her hand. So that's why I thought to download this picture. Come here and eat. For that I think I have a image. Which image I have? Let me do like image src after this. Okay, so let me first see in my folder food 17. Okay, so let me write img images food 17. There it is. So let me save. Okay, and it's time to refresh. Where is my image? So there it is. So its size is already small, so that's why. So let me first cancel this. Okay, so now it's time to add some css. Like first I have to uh, give a height to these pictures as well. So let me write some css like I have to give like box, not box, dot box, because it is class. Okay, height should be like what height should be 26 pixel. Okay, 26 pixel. Let me see how it is now looking. Where is my first picture? There it is. Why these images are now overlapping? Let me see again. Let me open my VS Code box. First let me first it's time to do like display. First let me do uh, this this one. Where is my section? My section is now id services. So first let me do like add hash services. Services should be like display flex. Okay, display flex, and my align content, align item should be center. Also justify content. I think no, align item should be center. Yeah, so let me save and see how these images now reacting. So yeah, it's time to give height. Now it's time to give height, but not to my box. Dot box. img. Okay, now I am targeting images only. Height should be like 26 pixel. Okay, 26 pixel. Now it's time to save first. Let's see. Now you can see that our services is here. Why? Let me write uh, where is my R services. There it is. So let me write this here. Okay, so it will not be in the display flex. Let me refresh, and there it is. So yeah, let me first target this heading R services. Okay, let me add some like id as well, because I want to target this only. What I should do, what id should I give right now? Heading like head. Okay, only head. So now it's time to, first I will format document. Okay, now it's time to target this as well. Where is my, yeah, here it is. Hash head. Head should be like head should be text align center. So let me see it's working or not. Let me refresh. It is working very well. It is working very well. So now I already told you the best practice to like place elements is to how much they are like how much they are acquiring space and how much they are like losing space. So you can identify by giving border. So it's time to give border first to my all boxes. Okay, border border should be like 2 pixel solid. Let me write here solid uh, red. Okay, so let me see. Now you can see that my total space is acquired by these boxes are this. So first let me do something like what can I do here? I can do like first let me like give some margin to these uh, boxes. Okay, margin margin should be like 2 pixel and 3 pixel for now. And for box image I'll do like justify content center, or um, it is already display flex. So it's time to do like, let me do like just align item center. Okay, let me see how these are now looking of what I have done. So now it's time to refresh. uh, yeah, margin is added, but you can see that my images are not in the center. I don't know why. First let me do something else. Yeah, I can also do this image center by blocking their display block and giving width like 10 pixel. Okay, and display block width 10 pixel. And what should I do right now? uh, Position absolute. I think position absolute. Let me try this as well. Okay, so now it's time to refresh again, but you can see it is out of my. So let me do it relative. I think it is the one. But should I use um let me remove this, because my width is doing mess, creating mix here. Okay, so I think this is pretty enough for now. And now I can increase like I can give 6 pixel for my images. Okay, let's see. Yeah, these are looking great, but not that great. So let me do it like 166 px. Let me see how these are now looking. So yeah, these are looking now great. Okay, I can see come here and eat. This is my restaurant, and come here and pick up. So you can pick up, and food delivery. You can see that there is your delivery boy. So now how can I do center? uh, I think justify content can make center these elements. Okay, let me see. It is not working. Let me do display flex as well. Okay, display flex. Okay, and also I can do here like align item center. Let me try. It is like a hit and trial method. Okay, but it is not working. I don't know why. So let me add some padding as well. Okay, I think it's time to add some padding because its display is already flex, because I made this a parent container, this parent services a box display flex, so that's why. So let me add some padding. First let me see like padding, not here, not here, not here. I should give padding here. Padding should be like 5 pixel here and 5 pixel from here. Okay, now let me see. Yeah, you can see that this these are now here. So let me inspect and configure them from here. Where is my box? Is my, yeah, there it is, but I can't see. Let me scroll down. Yeah, uh let me do it like this. Oh my god. Let me add like 25 pixel here. Oh, okay, so I think it is working. So let me add some more like 50 pixel. Let me make 50 pixel. Okay, so now you can see that my elements are now centered a little bit. I think 66 pixel works very well. The number 66 works like it is like a magical number. Okay, so now, yeah, these are now centered. So it's time to uh, remove this edge. Okay, now it's time to make curvy. Okay, so now I'm showing, I will show you how to make this curvy. So for making edge curve, so what you have to do like where is my, first let me, yeah, I want to add here border radius should be like border radius should be like 30%. 30% is enough, or 26%. Okay, so let me see the curves. Just see on this edges. Yeah, these are now converted. I think it's time to add some height as well. Okay, where is my height? 166 pixel. I think I should add like what can I add? 2, not 226 pixel. Okay, let me do it like this. Yeah, these are now looking good, really good. Okay, so now I think it's time to add border to these as well. Border radius, not border radius. Let me I think my website is looking good. uh, Now it's time to first uh, give color to this borders like gray. Let me see. Border should be like gray. Yeah, this one, I want that color. Yeah, and I want 4 pixel. Let me see how it looks. 4 pixel, it is looking good. Let me make it 6 pixel. Okay, 6 is also a magical number for me. So I don't know it works for you or not, but you can see that a horizontal bar is created here for going here. I think I should what can I do right now? I can do like uh, what can I do here? Margin 3 pixel. Let me give margin for like 1 pixel. Let me see how it works or not. It is not work now. Okay, just let me do like here. Let me do 56 pixel. Okay, let me do it 56 pixel. I think yeah, it works really well. You can see that there is equal space created here as well. So let me add some border radius to this as well. What can I do here? Border radius to my box. Okay, border radius to my box. Border radius should be like 26%. Okay, let me save and see how it is looking now. It is looking good, I think. Good, yeah. Or I can make it like 16 it is all, it will also look, yeah, it is looking good now. I think this looks good, really good. Okay, so there are services, food delivery, come here and pick up, come here and eat, this is your eating place. And also I should write some content, random content for this as well. Like after image I should write like paragraph lorem 26. I want 26 character. Okay, yeah, so I want 26 character here as well. Let me write paragraph lorem. You can write any number you want. Okay, so this is the power of emmet in VS Code. Lorem 26. Let me see how it looks. Okay, now it's time to look at this. First, yeah, so this is a short description for this food delivery, and come here and pick up, this is the short description for this as well. I think my whole website is looking now great. Okay, and I will continue this website. I will like the rest of my part, the below part I will continue in my next video. I'm making this website in steps for you all, like it is beneficial for you if you learn in pieces, if you learn in like parts, in 3 parts or 4 parts. So you will learn how to make a navigation bar, how to make a footer, how to make like this. The real learning in web development is like to place elements, how you can place element. So just practice this stuff and create, just create by yourself. Okay, and I'll suggest you that if you practice this stuff, and you will be making awesome website in future. And and also I will be teaching React framework in my videos as well, in my this web development series as well. So don't need to worry, I will be making some awesome projects which you can't even like imagine. I will make that project for you all, and you can add to your GitHub and you can add to your resume as well. So don't need to worry, don't buy any paid course, just follow this tutorial and practice and practice and just practice. This is my words for, and you will be also like be pro at some point in web development. Okay, and all the source code, this you can see that all these source code will be in the description. And if you really want to download these images, so just I will be not giving the link of that images. I'll just I'll already showed you the name of that website. The website is wallpaperflare.com, so you can download SG images as well as there are tons of to download SG images. There are tons of websites, so you can also go to there. This time is to end this video, and I will be meeting you in my next video.